Our Earth is made out of subsystems, and there are four different spheres: atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere composes the Earth. Yeah, I know it's hard to understand the Earth that was used to be. It's even harder to picture. It's only being destroyed. You say it's too late to change it, but we should give it a try. And in the world that we wasted, all of our trees are cut down. We've wasted our time, we turned out the earth. Now it's paralyzed, still stuck in that time. It's time to change off the polluted earth into paradise. The atmosphere is the gaseous part of the earth, and it has four layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere are the layers of it. Thankfully, the atmosphere exists. Because of this, the earth is livable. All those elements that compose it, the atmosphere is so unique. Turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. God gave us the earth to live in, but we destroyed it away. You can't expect me to be fine, you should expect me to care. I know I've said it before that all of our trees are cut down. We've wasted our time, we turned out the earth. Now it's paralyzed, we're still stuck in that time. It's time to change off the polluted earth into paradise. The lithosphere is the solid part of the earth. It includes the crust and mantle, while the hydrosphere is the water part. It contains all bodies of water. Thankfully, the subsystems exist. We all live and get food in lithosphere, while the hydrosphere is where we get fresh waters that we drink every day. The subsystem is the biosphere, and it contains all living things. It is referred to as zone of life, and the term was coined by Edward Seuss. Now we've learned the different subsystems. We should also keep in mind that we need to preserve it for the future to use.